Hello everyone, this is Raful Pavel and today I will make a glass of lemonade and in Bengali we call shorbat. At first we need a lemon. In foreign countries they call this lemon and this called lime, but we don't differentiate any of this, we call both of them lemon. So at first we need to cut half of it. Very juicy lemon, and at first I will take some liquids of it. Okay. In some cases, some people like so much sugar, and some people don't like uh, too much sugar. So it's on their preference what they actually like. And I will like 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then comes very special ingredients, that is salt. And we will take just a pinch of salt, not very much, a pinch of salt. Then I will again use the teaspoon to stir that, and mixing them very well. Then I will pour some water and I am mixing it very well. That's how to done a lemonade. And now for the decorations, I will use this lemon into a very thin slice. And I will cut slightly there and put it in outside the glass like that. I know I'm not a very professional to make a lemonade, but it's my own creation, and I will taste of it. Yeah, very refreshing.